Hey everyone, it's Wake Angel 2001. As you may recall, I reopened the whole send in toys thing, and of course the first batch of them has arrived, and it's 4 boxes. 4 at the same time, arrived the same day. So let's go ahead and start opening off, see what's inside of them. Let's see, box number 1, gonna go in there. Sorry if this is poorly framed, I just kind of threw a camera up on my bed. Okay, so box number 1 has a Jazzwares Tales figure, which, if it's to be believed, someone found at Big Lots for $5. I'm guessing, like, similar to my situation, this is somebody who purchased it back before they were completely discontinued in stores. Okay, that's the only thing that was in this box. Original Jazzwares 3-inch Tales figure. Alright, that's all well and good. Okay, box number 2 is a bit smaller. I'm using my hand to cover up the addresses when I hold the boxes in the camera frame because, you know, nobody needs to know our public addresses. Okay. Alright, looking in this box. This one's a little bit more tightly packed than that one was. We have a Sonic figure. They didn't take the soft tag off. Oh, that's kind of weird the way that they have that, like with that big void space underneath it. It's weird. Okay. And that was the only thing in that box. At least it seems to be adhering... Oh, by the way, as far as I'm aware, some of these boxes could be from the same person who's hoping to commission. It's just that they have to order them from multiple places. So, that was box number 2. Box number 3 is a bit larger. Let's get in there. Okay. Alright, this one has a note in it for Cabineria the Iron Fortress Ecoma figure from Jordana. I said to include notes so that it'll be easier to connect to the email chains. It's a Figma Blank Buck. Hopefully these things are easy to paint. I'm sorry, it's not a Figma, it's an SH Figuart. That's kind of cool. I mean, these things are specifically made for, you know, messing around with. I think people like to set them up as drawing references for like doing action comics and stuff. That's pretty cool. Never worked with one of those before. And of course we got Gigantor here, this huge box. Let's see what's in here. I'm hoping that I'm keeping the boxes out of the frame as I cut into them to hide the addresses. If not, then I just won't post this video. Yeah. Alright, this is definitely a figure in here. These are... Oh, I know this one. Yeah, this is, yeah, I know this. It's a Dr. Halsey with some wings from, oh, hey! That's Mercy's wings. This bag has Mercy's wings in it. Yeah, it's to make, Illumina. You know, from Sonic Shuffle? Yeah. Lumina Full Light and Illumina, the goddess of dreams. And I got this thing. What is this thing? It's all rolled up. And then it's rolled up again. And Mercy and some pink fabric. Okay, I guess I'm customizing a Mercy figure. Alright. And oh yeah, it's DJ Octavio. I was told that he needed some touch-ups. Make sure that he yeah, touch-ups. Yeah. Not a big deal. Just a few minor things that have to be repainted here and there. Okay, this is Dwayne Johnson. The Rock. And, oh yeah, those are the old hands I made for an attempt to make Wiseman the Wicked. Guess I'm gonna try and be recreating Wiseman. Hooray. Yeah, Wiseman was one of the few times before when I had to give up on a project because I couldn't figure out how to do it. And, my old Riala figure. I heard that his mask got damaged, so I need to redo that. Huh, it's actually nice to see my old customs come back to me for touch-ups. Gonna fix it up and... Oh wow, he even sent back Void. What did I do to Void? I don't remember. I think I don't know. We'll see what he says on the email. And this is the last part. It is a Star Fox figure. Ah, fodder. Ah, yes, just some spare parts that I'm supposed to work with. Okay, yep, very nice stuff. Okay, yep, that's a big how you do. Alright, thank you. Thank you for watching the unboxing video. That was weird. Quick and dirty, artless. I am very tired today. I did not get a lot of sleep last night. Okay, we're doing this. This is Wake Game 2001 signing off.